Hey guys, welcome to another Airsoft video. Today, me and Dylan are playing a 1v1 Akimbo Pistol round. Nothing too crazy, we're just gonna kind of get right into it.
Bam, bam, bam. Make sure I gotta...
But I'll just go here. I think this is fine.
Ready!
Ready!
Begin!
No shit.
That was a close one.
I saw him. Hit!
Whew!
Hit me in the lower rib cage.
I don't know which one. That might be my SSP.
I think you hit me about here. I barely felt
I
something.
think this is SSP.
Whew.
Alright, just back it up.
One thing that sucks about having the head cam, which I don't know how Chris does this all the time, is like my mask always gets pushed down from the weight of the camera. Which the camera's not even heavy, but my god. Holy fuck. Where the fuck is he? Oh, he's to the left. Say shit. Did you hit the helmet?
I heard a ting. I don't...
I think you hit the helmet.
Do you want to call it?
Sure, where are you? Oh.
I don't know,
fuck.
maybe. I thought I heard a ting, but it could have been this.
I think you did.
You want to call it?
You're too quick for me. Ready!
Ray!
Begin! He's too fucking quick for me. Oh, fucking ate shit. Woo!
Oh! I don't know if that hit me. I didn't feel it.
It looked like it did. My gun's down. It looked like it did, but I don't know.
It might have hit a piece of equipment. I'll call it.
Okay.
It might have hit like my side. Right?
I
didn't
wanna-
feel anything. Ray! Alright, so he forgot to fill his 1911 with CO2. So it's a one pistol fight. Ooh, okay. I think I hit. I hit. Ow.
Wow, go get your SSP. How many?
3 shots.
Making me waste ammo.
I've had 3 shots for the past like 2 minutes. They couldn't do anything. Ow, my thumb. I go get your CO2.
Begin! fucking quick, dude.
Hit. You skinned the side of this.
Here, let's just stick to one pistol for the last game or two. Because
One?
having the uneven mags really fucks with me.
Okay, so which pistol are you gonna use then?
Depends on which one you use.
Well, we have to maintain an even ammo count.
Well, which one do you want to use though? Because
Well, both my mags are about 30 rounds, so we'll do green gas pistol for the last one. So I'll use my Hawk, use that with a regular mag.
yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking of how that would go. Yeah, because this fucking 1911 just went up too quick, obviously.
Belt.
Oh my god. Please!
Yep.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. I have like 21 in here, I think. 21, probably 22. You said I was like 30?
27.
Jesus, okay.
I mean, it's not that uneven.
I mean, 20, 27 is a little bit, but... Okay. Good talk. I'm gonna get fucking shot before he gets up there. You have such a tight angle on me.
No,
Yeah,
no,
you do.
I don't think so.
Yeah, Chris, I can literally hear how muffled you are because of how tight that angle is.
What do you mean?
Give me that bullshit.
I'm over there.
God damn it. Oh, I hit.
Yeah, you did.
Oh. The thing definitely looks and feels nice. Okay.